back at Munnar, and guess what? We're in between the wonderful tea fields, we're in front of this beautiful, breathtaking view, and guess what? We have tons and tons of activities lined up for us today and as well as tomorrow. So let us see how our day goes. You guys must see this. Hey guys, so we are back inside our room. We just got done with a garden walk which was right opposite to the hotel, and right now we just changed and freshened up again. Now we'll be heading towards the tea plantation, so stay tuned. We have Yukta here, and she's dead tired already because it's quite sunny today, and I hope it just goes down. It's too hot. So let's see what else we have got lined up today. It's time for a room tour, guys. So we have the bathroom, and I'm loving the shower. And then we have our luggage here. There's the unpacking our two beds, pretty decent, and check out the view. It's so beautiful, so calm. We're heading to the tea plantations and the waterfalls. Check out the menu and check out the view. You can hear the waterfalls. It's so beautiful. Also, let's see what to order. Okay. How's your salad? We love the salad. There's pineapple, there are peppers and chicken with mayonnaise. We're just getting started with our lunch, and once we're done with lunch, we're gonna be headed to see some places. So stay tuned. I'm loving the pool area. It's so gorgeous. Look at this point. Hey guys, so we got pretty delayed today. Our bus reached very late at around 10 a.m. in the morning, and we couldn't really push a lot of things today. So we thought, let's just take it slowly and cover as much as possible. So now we're done with our yummy lunch. We're all full and set to go. We are freshened up and we want to go walking. Not driving. Let's go down.
Hours How's the polychili, the fish polychili?
Yeah, all of that. And beetroot and pineapple. Hey guys, so we're finally back into our room. Finally. All I want to do now is just sleep. But it's been a really long day and it also has been very exciting. Every moment of it was great. We've had a wonderful time, didn't we?
Yes.
My sister's watching Netflix because she doesn't know what else to do. Anyways, I will try and edit some of the posts and some of the videos, especially this one, what I'm recording right now. And also, tomorrow we will be heading to the dam and the lake and probably have a look at the Munnar town. And dinner, 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 dinner. How was your day, Yukta?
Really, really long. I feel like we reached here yesterday. Seriously.
But we reached today.
Yeah.
What are you going to eat today?
I don't know what it is that.
How do you like blanket Munnar?
It's good.
That's basically, a forest behind this, but you can't really see it. It's in the night.
By mistake,
This is the mirror.
by mistake, I pressed B5 again.
What? Press the ground, you idiot.
Ground.
So here we have this salad, guys. Huge variety for vegetarians. Hey, sissy, fish.
Can you help putting this?
Wait. Veggie again. Hey guys, so we just got up and now we're getting ready. We are super hungry. We need some breakfast to function. I need some breakfast to function. So we'll head downstairs after getting ready and then probably I'll show you around the hotel and then we'll be heading towards the lake and yes, all of that. So let's just see what happens and let's just go with the flow. So I'm super excited. Stay tuned.
Forget it.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! guys, so we basically went around Munnar, and I must tell you, each and every corner is really very beautiful. And we have plenty of things to do and plenty of things to see around in, and yeah, what did I there's so much to do in Munnar, and I really did not know that. But you know, they have these lists where they have the list of things that you can do in Munnar. We could cover only a few places out of it, like just one part. There's around maybe 6 places, 6 points, and the rest we cannot, obviously, because we need a lot of time. But trust me, all of the views were really nice, were really different, and they're so pretty. I can't wait to show you guys the pictures, so you gotta stay tuned. And also, this place is really nice to visit because the weather is pleasant and it's not too sunny, not too harsh, but it's pretty beautiful. And right now we're standing in front of a farm where they grow cabbage and all the other vegetables like carrot and all those wonderful vegetables, and you can see it.
Drink tea. Shut down water here. He's getting the water from the river. Ask me where the water comes from the river or from the
Nothing comes from Tank River.
huh?
Tank River.
Thank you. What is it? Thank you.
மொழியாம் கன்னி பூவனம் வருவாள் திங்கள் தந்தையாம் பெண்கள் கோழியாம்
Hey guys, it's finally 8 a.m. and we are leaving to do some yoga, so I hope you guys stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. I'm super excited. What are you eating, Yuka?
I don't know what it's called, but it's like carb cake.
Okay, that's maybe semi. I don't know. I don't know what they call it. But I'm eating some pancakes with honey. I had some idli with sambar. It was yum. And this is maybe paratha. No, palak paratha. And these are baked peas. That's not functional.
Hey guys, we're here in the falls, which is right next to our hotel, and now we're trekking down to the falls. So you can actually hear it from here. So let's see how it's gonna be. Let's go. Bye.
Just got done with our yoga session, and I must tell you, it was so peaceful to the mind, and it's away from the hustle and bustle, from especially from Bangalore. I guess this place is super magical. It's just so finally we're back to our room, and sadly we will be checking out right now because we have a bus to catch at 4 p.m. and so I guess we're going to have some lunch and leave this place. But I really don't feel like leaving this place because me and my sister have enjoyed so much in just these 2 days, and trust me, Blanket Munnar will never disappoint you because they have so many things lined up. Each and every part of the day is filled with some or the other activity that you will totally enjoy, and your mind and soul and everything about yourself is just going to be free. You're just going to be refreshed at the end of the day, and that's all we want from a good trip. And today we trekked down to the waterfalls, and the waterfalls, the view was spectacular because it's just 1 kilometer down the road from the hotel, and it looks stunning. Also, we got to cycle and around the property because you can hear the birds chirp, you can see the sun setting, you can just feel and breathe in the wonderful air around you because it's so positive, and it's so beautiful, it's so serene, and it gives you this feeling of adventure and gives you this feeling of freshness. So I think this is a highly recommended place because you can do so much and you won't really sit quiet and you won't really get bored because this is a no bore zone. And I just hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys go and experience this yourself.